So as you can see guys, this is my existing Nextbase dash cam. Luckily I already got the power cable run through all across here, so it's so nice and neat, it's not even seen. I'm bringing it down here all the way through here, and as you can see, find out which one is the fuse for your cigarette lighter, and then what you do, you remove that fuse, and then you insert it into that cable. I'll link in the description where you can get it. Once you insert both of the fuse, pretty much you just put it into the fuse place. That's it. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna remove my old camera. Pretty much undo it. This is my old camera that I got. It's 312Gw Nextbase. To be honest with you guys, I wouldn't change that cam, but because I wanna have the real one, this is the only reason I upgraded to the Nextbase 322Gw front and rear camera. So what I'm going to do, we're gonna stick this one into the windscreen, run the cable for the rear camera, and yeah, just to let you know, if to put the holder in, you need to remove this small plastic. It's magnetic, by the way, so what you do, you just move it, and then yep, that goes in place, and that's how it goes. So the cable for the rear camera, just run it through here and all along here, as you can see. Just put it behind here, and I'm gonna carry on all the way through here and all the way to the back of for that rubber hose, and I bring it up here and run it along there. So this is the final product we have, guys. It's all in.